Yeah, how can you resist that face?
Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Alright, back up if you can. We're looking at a Homelite XLS1.5. It's basically an XL12 in water pump format. This is from my buddy Mike's dad. He had one that he picked up somewhere, and I think the impeller housing had frozen because it was just all sorts of jacked up. So I found this one on eBay, and I think that other one will just be a parts rig. This one didn't need too much. Went through the carburetor, new starter rope, replaced the bushing that was missing in the starter. I don't even know how the hell it was working. Adjusted the governor a little bit. Yeah, and I've tested it already to make sure it pumps water. We'll do it again. So the way I'm going to test is I don't have a big pond or something to play with. So I'm going to spray water from the hose in here, and you're going to see it coming out of here. Now naturally you can ask the question, well, but how do you know it's really pumping? Well, if you're spraying water in like this, if it wasn't pumping, it would also be barfing it back out here once it fills that housing up. But you'll hear it lug down. I'll start necking this outlet pipe off and you'll hear it lug down, and that's how you can tell for certain that it's actually pumping. Okay, well, I got a bath out of that too. And it wasn't my time of the month to have a bath. So anyhow.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, thanks, Kit Kat. So anyway, you can see it's working good, even at an idle. I mean, that's a pretty good stream there that it puts out. So, you know, if you had this hooked up to a water tank, which is what Louie intends to do with it, you can probably keep the thing at just barely an idle and have sufficient pressure to do whatever it is you need to do. This is going to be kind of a small-scale fire prevention rig on the back of a flatbed. He lives way the hell up in the boonies, and hopefully he never needs it, but you just don't know. So anyway, this is the first pump I've messed with. I didn't have to get into the impeller housing and play with shimming and all that sort of good jazz. Just worked on the engine, and quite frankly, I'm happy about that. So anyway, another unique one to come through the shop here.